hey, never pay the government money, they pay you money. I mean, using a trust instead of your person, and the hack is, your person, your straw man, your corporate fiction that has your name and all. That thing's just a business, so it has nothing, and then it qualifies for all the free government stuff. And you operate this trust over here that you don't report, you don't pay taxes, and you're like, all of a sudden you're over there, you're like, you're in like Flint or in like Trump. You know what I mean? You're like, hey, oh, this is what the wealthy are doing. This is why they're out on jet skis in Florida doing whatever they want. Okay. All right. So you just do what they've been doing right along, and you've been watching them do. So it's just that hack. Uh, you know, can you use uh, return on your investment? You go to get the courses right. Can you get a return of your investment? On average American would get 2,880% annually. That's $72,000